Namaste. Welcome to your practice. Welcome to day 3. Let's begin our practice standing up tall in the middle of the mat. Bring your feet together, touch from here, heel toe, open up, hip distance apart. Today's practice is going to be deep into side body, so put your yoga mat alongside this way. Easier for you and I to move along together. Now as we standing up tall, dropping your shoulders away from the ears, arms alongside your body. Standing up tall, close your eyes. Have a moment to scan through your body. How are you feeling physically today? And how are you feeling emotionally today? Breathe in fully. Open mouth. Blink your eyes open, extending arms up over your head, interlacing your fingers and push your palms up high. Good morning stretch. Exhale, soften through your knees. Push your hips back a little bit so you're hinging from the hips. Lower down, arms down, all the way as far as you could go. Head and neck heavy. Weight goes to the balls of your feet and your heels. Just rocking gently forward and back. And now 4 corners of your feet pressing firmly down. Hands to your shins, flat back. Lengthen your spine. Exhale, fold forward. Head and neck heavy again. Pressing and rising. Open your toes, open your fingers. Arms up over your head. Exhale, pray your hands down to your heart and arms by your side. So that was half sun salutation A. Let's repeat twice more. Inhale up. Exhale, lower down. Inhale halfway. Push your chest forward. Exhale, fold forward. Root to rise up toward to the sky with big smile. Exhale, pray your hands down back to your heart. Let's add one last round. Inhale up. Exhale, lower down. Inhale halfway. Exhale, fold. Come up tall. Pray your hands down back to your heart. Take a moment to just stand up tall again. Bring more awareness to your body and to your breath. Blink your eyes open, hands on your hips, heel toe open your feet a little bit wider, please. Check your feet parallel, edges pressing, arches pressing, arms out to T-shape, big breath in. Exhale, soften through your knees, swan dive from here. Hold onto your knees or down to your ankles, flat back, lengthen taller. As you exhale, swing your right hand, cross over to catch your left ankle. Or if you're holding onto your knee, that's okay. Feel your side body lengthening, shoulders softening. Beautiful. Releasing your right hand. Breathe in, lengthen. Flat back. Exhale, fold forward. This time, cross your left hand over to catch your right leg. Breathe in. Feel your side body. Exhale. Beautiful. Come back to the center. Drop the head and neck heavy and roll yourself all the way up. Arms out to T-shape. Turn your right foot to the outer side. Let's soften your knee. Good. If you have more space, heel toe. Walk your back foot a little bit further. So keep your front knee, right knee in line with your hip. If that's too much, bring them a little bit short. Breathe in, lengthen. Exhale, push your weight forward. Releasing your bottom hand softly on top of your thigh. Extending left hand goes over your head. Extended side angle. Very nice. Come up. Using your strength. Arms out to T-shape. Turn your foot in. Moving on to the other side. Turn your left toes out. Bend your knee. Push gently. Release softly. Extending right hand goes over your head. Very nice. Come up. Inhale. We're going to add in one more time. Turn your foot in, turn your right foot out again. Bend, push, release. Left hand goes over your head. Shoulders pulling back, chest opening. Feel your side body lengthening longer. Exhale this time. Swing both hands down to the mat. Take your back heel up toward the sky and bend your front knee deeply into runner's lunge. Breathe in. Exhale. Send your hips back. Relax your chest and head and neck down. Beautiful. Let's add in once more. Inhale, rebend the front knee again. Exhale. Send your hips back. Make sure to breathe. Inhale, rebend your front knee. Turn your back foot down. Turn your right foot in. Walking both hands back to the center. Halfway flat back, lengthen. Exhale, fold forward. Head and neck heavy down. Pressing and rising all the way back up, please. Arms out to T-shape and over your head. Exhale, bring your hands down back to T-shape and moving on to the other side. Left toes out, bend your knee, push, release, up and over by your face. Let us not dumping the weight on your bottom shoulder, shoulder away from your ear. Breathe in. Lengthening longer, exhale. Almost there, breathe in. Exhale, swing both hands down to the mat. Take your back heel up. Bend your front knee deeply into runner's lunge. Inhale. Exhale, hips back. Very good. Once more. Inhale. Exhale. Good job. Now as you rebend your knee, turn your back foot down, turn your left foot in, parallel, walking back to the center. Heel toe, bring your feet a little bit closer. Bring your both hands behind your back. Interlacing your fingers, let's roll the shoulders, squeezing your shoulder blades, head and neck heavy, your fist going up toward the sky. Stay 2 breaths. One more, head and neck heavy. Let's pressing and rising all the way, standing up tall. Breathe in. Gentle stand up cobra. Come up, bring your spine back up, releasing your hands down, and bring your feet together. And now send your arms up over your head, catch your left hand and push up. Very good. From here, sending your left leg to the side and circling all the way behind, pressing your foot down. So your front foot, back foot, pressing, lifting, and gently lower down to the right side. Very good. Find your balance, please. 3, 2, and 1. Good job. Carefully come back to the center. Bring both hands down by your side. Moving on to the other side, arms up over your head. Catch your right hand and gently push it up. And get ready. Right leg, swing all the way behind. Pressing your back foot, pressing your front foot. Lifting up higher, both knees straight. Exhale, carefully lower down toward to the left side. Very good. And coming back to the center, bring your feet together, arms down by your side. Extending arms up over your head. Exhale, pray your hands down to your heart. Keep your eyes closed for a moment. Feel your heart beating. Appreciating your dedication to get on the mat. Finish with one sound of Om together. Inhale. Thank you so much for joining today's practice. Looking forward to seeing you again on day 4. Have a beautiful day. Namaste.